So go ahead and turn your volumes up, and you guys, next thing you will hear will be the keyboard. So hopefully that gives you guys a bit of an idea what that sounds like. I went ahead and pushed every single key on the keyboard. Obviously, if you like, smash on a key is going to sound louder, but for the most part, if you guys are pretty calm with your typing, instead of bashing your keyboard, then it's going to sound quiet. Obviously, if you guys are going to be bashing, then that's a different story. But for the most part, it sounds pretty quiet. And compared to my old keyboard, which was it was a Razer Black Widow keyboard, I believe, that thing was loud as hell. So now when I'm typing at night, I don't get any complaints with this keyboard. So it is pretty quiet. For gaming, I don't game on it, but it feels really good on the hands. So when you are pushing your WASD and whatever key you guys use for gaming, it feels really good. Doesn't make that much noise, and there's definitely no complaints for me. So again, these are the cherry brown switches on the Ducky 1.2 Mini. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video, or just I'll cut it so you guys won't have to see it. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab my mouse pad. I'll put it under, and you guys will be able to hear the difference. It's not that big of a difference, but it's still a little muffled, so you guys will probably notice a difference. So I'm gonna cut to that right now. Okay, here we are now, guys, with the mouse pad. So let's go ahead and I'll push the keyboard, of course, closer to the mic, so you guys will be able to hear the difference. Don't mind my mouse pad; it's a little old, but let's hear the difference in the sounds now. So hopefully that was in frame, guys. That was just a little test to see how it sounds on the actual mouse pad. Like I said, the difference isn't too big, but obviously if you guys are typing on the wooden desk, then it's going to echo a lot more, and it's going to sound a little bit louder. At least the mouse pad cushions a little bit when you are pushing down, and it helps muffle the sound a little bit. So it is a tad bit quieter, but other than that, the sound is basically the same, just a little bit quieter. So there's the sound test for these specific keycaps and switches. I wanted to basically hold off on this video until I got my new keycaps in the mail, but unfortunately they won't be in for at least another month, so I won't I didn't want to make you guys wait that long because there was a handful of you guys asking for that video, and I wanted to just put that out there with the keycaps that come on the keyboard already, which makes sense, right? And then when my new keycaps come in, I'm planning on making a video on those. I'm gonna try to make a custom, nice little colorful layout, and I'll show you guys that, and at the same time I'll show you guys what that sounds like with different keycaps as well. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have any other questions about this keyboard or any requests, just let me know. And I don't mind, like I said, I don't mind making these videos, and I don't mind answering your guys' questions. I'm always in the comment section, so just feel free to leave a comment, and if you guys liked this video, be sure to leave a like, and I appreciate everybody watching, and that is all for this video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.